Okay. So today is very very hot. Temperature is very very high. I know. I see so in the hotel room the air condition. As someone told me, the air condition it doesn't work. The temperature is very high. So don't worry. I just told the reception when we going outside this afternoon. So every room, the hotel attendant will put the card to get electricity in the room, and all room will turn on the air condition for the whole afternoon. So later when we came back, so you go inside the room. Wow, cooling place. Yes. So later you have some problems when you return back to hotel that you tell me. So I will solve all problems. So don't worry. So now everyone will get a receiver for everyone. Receiver, and keep it. Don't lose it. And I will collect all the receiver when you return back on the bus when we finish our schedule for the afternoon.
আবার রিসিভার নিয়ে হাঁটতে হবে।
আমাদের রাখি বেনেছে পিঠাটা কি বানাইছে না বাসা থেকে আনছে? বাসা থেকে তো অবশ্যই এটা অনেকে বানাইছে।